Be careful and watch out for these tabs. They break very easily. I broke them on my previous set whenever I was removing it. These just slide in and under, and these will clip into place when you press down. You may have to pull down your headliner a little bit and you'll snap that into place later. That's so you can get all the things slid into the right position. Oh well. Yeah, just gotta look in there, make sure those little pop tabs go into place as you slide it in. Really might have to squeeze it in there. Get them to stay. They should stay. Pop your headliner back in. These will have a little groove on the bottom and this little T shape. Just fit that in and slide it that way. You don't have to worry about this on the install. Pull it back, slide it into place, then push forward and it'll lock in place.